Bro, I lose so much weight.
This clip is just to show you that I only had a electric stove for the longest time. Full transparency. This part of the video was done in summer of 2023. I've always wanted a gas stove. For the longest time, I've been cooking on an electric stove. I didn't want to have to buy a gas stove only because it's always so expensive. So my contractor gave me one. Now, all I needed to do was put in some elbow grease and give it a good go. 1 2 1 2. I have a clean, beautiful gas stove. But before all of that, I had to make arrangement with the city to run a gas line to my house and then hire someone to run the gas line from outside to inside connected to the stove. I had to buy 4 new knobs for the stove only because one was missing when he gave it to me, and here we are, a beautiful gas stove that I'm cooking on. I have no regrets. I love it. I've always wanted one. And I absolutely adore cooking on a gas. It's nothing like cooking on a gas stove.
You already know something's gonna get. Thank you for coming back. If you're new, thank you for clicking. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to everybody that watches. 5 people. So today I'm going to make a chicken and shrimp teriyaki stir fry. That's a mouthful. It's going to be a mouthful. So I'm cutting the carrots, sorry, not the carrots. So I'm cutting the cabbage with a mandolin just because I want them to be the same thickness. That way it cooks evenly, it cooks at the same time. Some's not hard, some's not soft, you know, some's mushy, some's not cooked. So that way it cooks all in the same time. So you want to cut the chicken as thin as possible because you're going to do a stir fry. Like with the cabbage, you don't want it some to cook, some not cooked. You want everything to cook the same time when it's time to cook it. So you try your best to get it even. There's this restaurant where I hadn't been in a long time, but I like to order a certain dish on their menu. And you could customize it, obviously. It's Japanese. It's called Teriyaki Experience. What I like to order is a chicken and shrimp teriyaki on steamed rice with mushrooms, green onions, cabbage, or slaw, they say, I think. I guess they offer other veggies, but this is what I usually get when I go. So I'm going to make it myself and compare. Now, to be fair, the sauces are going to be different because I make my own sauce. They have their own sauce. I like their sauce, but I also love my sauce. So I'll see how it turns out. So I have small peas. It was in the freezer. It's a little bit wonky now because it's been thawed. I'm going to cook it up quick. I have bean sprouts. I have cabbage, shredded cabbage that I did myself. I don't buy this for convenience because conveniently I could do it myself. And everybody knows sometimes convenience work out cheaper, sometimes, most of the times it doesn't, it costs more. But anyway, carrots that I julienne, mushrooms that I chopped, because if you buy it chopped, obviously it's gonna be more money. I'm not spending more money. I have some broccoli. I have red onions. Now they don't offer red onions. I can't remember because I hadn't ordered in a long time, but I'm putting red onions. Obviously I mentioned chicken and shrimp, so I have some chicken that I cut myself. They're very thin, and I have some shrimp. Now these shrimp are very small because I did not have no money to buy the big juicy ones, and I'm not gonna buy the big juicy ones just to show for you guys. Shrimp is shrimp, no matter how small or big, that's still shrimp. So I've been wanting to make this dish for a long time because I've made teriyaki sauce a long time and I need to use it up. So I'll link a video in the cards of my salmon teriyaki. I have a short and I have a full video. Anyways, so I've been wanting to cook this dish for a very long time, but I didn't have a wok, and I know that if I cook it in a regular pot it's gonna get all soupy, and I didn't want that because the wok, it's thinner and it's just made for stir fry. Don't ask me why the reasons are. I don't know. I just know it's made for stir fry and it turns out better. I didn't have one for the longest time, so I went to buy one. Now at my workplace, the one they have, I like it. It's big and you know, it does what it's supposed to do. But when I went to the store to buy it, not the grocery store obviously, well they sell it at the Asian grocery store. When I went to buy it, the size that they have that's at my workplace, it cost $50. I'm not spending $50 on one. So I ended up with this one, which is I think it's a 10-inch. It's the same brand as my work, except the one at work doesn't have a wooden handle. This one has a wooden handle. So I'm like, I'm using it for me, so I don't need that big ass one. I don't need that big old jumbo one to do what I need to do. This small one is good enough. So this is one I bought. It was for like $27. So I'm gonna wok it up. Anyways, let's get into this video because I'm hungry and I need to eat, and this is what I'm eating for dinner. It's a Monday night. Another reason why I couldn't make this dish is because I had a gas stove, the flat top glass top gas stove. What? Another reason why I hadn't made this dish, or I couldn't, is because, or I feel like I couldn't, because I had a flat top. I have a electric stove and the wok wouldn't work out well, I feel like, so I never tried to. I wanted to make the dish, but I wasn't really interested in making on a electric stove, so c'est la vie. Nice. This is my chicken and shrimp teriyaki bowl. No, I don't know how to use chopstick. I can't use it to save my life, but I should learn. And I always say to myself, you know, you should learn to use chopstick. And today is a perfect opportunity to teach myself, or to start teaching myself. But the way I'm hungry, boy, I not think so. Not today. Not gonna happen. But I'm gonna teach myself one day. Honestly, this tastes exactly like, you know what, I shouldn't say exact. It's very close. Considering I made this at home, yeah. I'm very pleased. It's so good. Me have them. See them here? Oh my god, how? 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 Bro, for the next 100 years I'll still stand here eating this food because I don't know how to use it. Oh, I picked up my shrimp. Oh my god. I'm gonna teach myself. Oh my, how can you? No. I know I'm doing something wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong because I've never looked up to use how to use it. But goddamn, I'll be here till next year. Bro, I lose so much weight. No, sir. This is a lot. Oh my god, this is a lot. I can't do it. I can't. Today an idea. Oh my god, how? How? Oh my god. What the? Oh no. This, no, no. No, sir. See that? This is what we are talking about. See? Enough the for the fork. Thank you for watching. Thank me for cooking. Stay true to yourself. Be kind to everybody. I have this mess to clean up. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to try to continue with that. But I shouldn't say that. It has a name. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to try to continue with... And it's not even the wooden one either. It's not the metal one. It's not the wooden one. It's kind of like... Hell, I don't even know what it is. But yeah. Oh. No, ma'am. Not today. Today an idea. No, sir. Nope.